Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the correct interface and starting capture immediately. Don't delay. Pick the network interface that actually sees your target packets, then apply a simple capture filter such as host 192, 168, 1, 10 to reduce overhead. Make sure promiscuous mode is on when you need to see all traffic on the link, and enable or disable name resolution intentionally so packet timestamps and addresses stay clear. Once running, watch the packet rate to confirm data is arriving before moving to deeper inspection. Now focus on extracting the image payloads by isolating the correct streams. Apply display filters like HTTP or TCP. Stream EC1 to narrow results, then right-click and follow the TCP stream to reconstruct transferred data. This reveals why bytes map to an image file. For embedded files, use file export objects HTTP or SMB to pull images directly. Also, increase capture file size or enable a ring buffer when transfers are long, so you don't truncate the image mid. Finish by saving your capture and validating the extracted image right away. Exported images should open in an image viewer. If they don't, reopen the TCP stream and inspect sequence numbers to find dropped or retransmitted segments. Make sure you save to PCAP and with a clear timestamped file name and included relevant capture options. If the image is missing or corrupted, check your capture filter and promiscuous mode. Confirm no packet loss at the capture point, and rerun with a larger buffer if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.